If you found this video, you're looking for an attorney that specializes in traumatic brain injury accident cases. Hi, my name is Hugh Howerton. I was voted one of the top 100 Texas trial lawyers, and I specialize in TBI injuries caused by accidents. I've represented a lot of courageous people over the years that have had TBI injuries, and they come basically in two forms. The first is a penetrating injury where the skull is cracked and there is a bleeding on the brain that shows through an MRI. The second one, which is the more harder to detect, is a closed head injury, and the scenario goes something like this. The person is involved in an accident. They go to the emergency room with symptoms of headaches. They feel dizzy and nausea. They're a little confused. They may or may not have had any loss of consciousness. The MRI is done at the hospital that comes back completely normal. And then they are checked out and usually sent home the very same day. In the weeks that follow, the person starts finding out that they're having problems with memories. They're having problems trying to find words that are stuck on the tip of their tongue. Oftentimes there are emotional outbursts and personality changes. And across the board, the family members who know them best say they just don't seem like their self. If this has happened to you or a loved one, these could be signs of a potential brain injury. The only way to be sure is to consult a neurologist that specializes in brain injuries, and ultimately have a battery of tests performed by a very specialized psychologist called a neuropsychologist. This battery of tests can isolate what area of the brain that was injured and ultimately determine if there is a brain injury and how bad it is. I want you to remember that not every personal injury lawyer has the skill and experience necessary to handle these complex cases. If you think that I might be the right lawyer for you, I urge you to go to my website, look at my credentials, look at my client reviews to see how my past clients and referring attorneys feel about me, and then give me a call and let's talk about the case. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have about my credentials and experience handling brain injury cases and brain injuries in general. I wish you the best, and thank you for your time.